Hello, this is in continuation with the previous teardown video of Mosquito Racket. So now we can have better look at the components. So we have few capacitors here, this one, this blue one, several diodes, all these. Then we have this resistor and most important this transformer, which appears to be a step up transformer. Other than this we have this battery and the main mesh, the racket. So discussing its working, this one is a chargeable model and the battery is charged using 220 volts. So the power source is the battery. Other main component is this electric grid, which have outer layer and inner layer. Then we have high voltage current generated, high voltage low current generated in this mesh. It is generated by this transformer, and whenever any mosquito comes in contact with it, they get zapped. Though it's safe for humans, but still we should avoid touching this mesh when it's on. As per the safety feature, we have this on off switch, and other than this built-in LED to indicate when the racket is on. So that's how it's work, and let's have a look at it again. So these are all the components of mosquito racket or mosquito zapper. Bye, thank you.